What's up, dumpster guys? Here we are on scene. This is a brand new updated area of the construction site here. And yeah, just kind of figured we'll give you a little grand tour of what it is that we got. Holy shit, that'd be one hell of a fall for someone that was drunk. But this here is right on outside what used to be tattooing and piercing. And here is the permit for their dumpster diving, and one of the dumpster bros wants to do a dumpster challenge. So let me get over there, and he's jumping from a little border all the way up there and then jumping up. But look at this, guys. There is no mother effing window right in here. What the fuck happened to the winder?
My handstand is bigger than this window.
And yeah, check it out, man. We got ourselves a motherfucking broom. Empty thing here, but yeah, this is actually inside this building. Not quite sure what they're going to be doing with it. Sorry if you can't really see anything. I know the light on my phone is extremely bad. But let's see here. We got a trash can. Nothing in it. Old air conditioning units.
Wow.
And yeah, this is just a crazy thing. There's our dumpster that we tried to look into one time. But look at this. They're probably going to be inverting all of this into one building. Because look, here's the next building over.
Hey, there's another building that's over.
And as I said, it's kind of hard to see. But I just want to kind of check it out and see what's outside here. A lot of concrete that they busted up. A couple other things. But as I said, we got to be careful. We got to be careful because the police department is right across the street from this location. And as I said, here we are right on inside this building. Taking a big old risk of looking into this place.
Oh my god, look.
And I'm pretty sure one of these dumpster bros is going to be scared to come down here.
Yep.
But I do believe. Damn. This is actually pretty nice. Damn, look at this, dude. This shit's fucking big. Might be someone sleeping right there. Might be somebody sleeping right there. But yeah, here we are inside this here. What used to be an abandoned building due to the tornado. But yeah. We got a lot of walkways in this area. And here's one thing, and it just
To a block of nothing.
just be careful in case you got other people sleeping in here.
Let's go to the back. I go here.
But yeah, there you have it. We actually made it on the inside.
Look, there's a dog.
And yeah, let's see what's right here. There's a hat here.
That's the bathroom.
That's the bathroom. But yeah, come on, let's go back up the other way. Or yeah, let's come out this way. Here we are, guys. We're on the outside. This is the back side. And look at this. Here's some bricks that they're going to be doing. That's not sand, that's grout. But yeah, there's some cinder blocks. And see, look right here.
Was where that door was.
This is where that one thing was, where the actual door was. And right here, right in there somewhere is where that one guy's sleeping.
Yep.
If it is someone. But yeah, that was kind of a little view. I know it was kind of dark. because the lighting on my phone really sucks. But as I said, here's the brand new entry porchway that they put in, and yeah, here we are on the other side of the wall that goes into that building. Maybe we can try to come over
Do it.
at the daytime tomorrow. This is a whole nother separate building. Holy shit. That's an old ass electrical box.
Can I touch it?
I wouldn't touch it if I were you. 'Cause I'm pretty sure.
There, Lex.
Go. 'Cause I'm pretty sure they still have electricity run through here, especially if they're working in here. But at any rate, guys, here's inside a building. We're gonna go ahead and cut this short right here, and we're gonna be making our way to the next dumpster, which is right over there. So for now, everyone is dark as hell. So we'll catch you on the video containing the dumpster. Peace out.